Experiencing problems with your Tesco mobile voicemail? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues related to call diverts, dial codes, or PINs. Let's troubleshoot these common problems step by step. First, ensure your call diverts are correctly configured. This is the mechanism that forwards unanswered calls to your voicemail. If set incorrectly, calls might go straight to a busy signal. Use the code 2121 SHAP, where 121 is Tesco Mobile's voicemail number, to activate diverts for all calls. Next, verify you're using the correct dial code, 121. Dial this from your Tesco mobile phone to access your voicemail. If this doesn't work, try the alternative number, 0800 121 2120. Finally, ensure you have the correct voicemail PIN. If forgotten, reset it via Tesco Mobile's online portal or by calling customer service at 0344 324 9222. Resetting via the app is also a new, faster option. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your voicemail issues, here are some advanced steps to try. First, reboot your phone to refresh all network connections and clear any temporary glitches. Next, ensure your SIM card is active and properly inserted, as a loose or faulty SIM can prevent voicemail diverts from working correctly. For older phones, confirm they support the latest network settings, especially VoLTE for better call quality and voicemail functionality. Users with non-Tesco mobile branded phones like Samsung Galaxy devices may experience compatibility issues. Check online forums for device-specific solutions or contact Tesco Mobile support. If problems persist, they may be account-specific and require direct assistance from Tesco Mobile support team. Looking ahead, Tesco Mobile is embracing digital alternatives with its app-based voicemail system, allowing users to access messages digitally without relying on dial codes. The future includes AI-driven enhancements, such as automatic message transcription that converts voice to text, and seamless integration with other apps for better accessibility. While traditional dial codes and PINs might eventually become obsolete, understanding these fundamentals remains crucial for now. Proactive settings like regularly changing your PIN can prevent many common issues and keep your voicemail secure.